Okay. Well, the wind's changed directions and the storm has moved over there. There's another one coming right there. And there's some peculiar looking activity over there, so hopefully maybe you can see it when the lightning hits. The wind changed directions. It is now blowing from the east. It was blowing from the north, now it's blowing from the southeast, which is not really a good sign for here. Every time it does that, that's when we get the sirens. So, but over there, as you can see, there's still some more activity going on, and it doesn't look very courteous. And yeah, I'm still under the bridge. As you can tell. It's kind of dark out here, you can't really see it. But yeah, that's the last little bit I have to wait on until the thunderstorm watch is over. They said we're in a thunderstorm watch. I'm like, no, we're in it. It's here. And that's the other little part I have to worry about, though. The wind did change direction. And it's about 10 o'clock now. Been under this bridge for about an hour. But I'm going to get a little bit of footage of this as the wind has changed. It's cold. But it was extremely hot there for a minute. I mean, I'm talking about it was sweltering hot. Now it's like cold, so that's mid-Missouri for you. This is what the weather here looks like when it gets rough. It's not like Texas. Texas, it just blows from one direction, and if it comes from the southeast, it's just a hurricane. Here in Missouri, it comes from all directions. There's no telling, so it's really difficult to read. I treat every one of these storms as serious. Anyhow, there's some footage of what's left of it. Doing my best to hold the camera still. You know, we have that really awesome camera crew, which is usually me. I just wanted to film a little bit more of this, see if I can get out underneath this canopy here. There we go, so I can get a little bit better shot. There we go. See if we can get up out of the bridge and I can get a better shot of it from the top of this hill. There we go. There we go. Yeah, see, that's not very yeah, it's pretty some mean weather up here. And like I said, it just comes from all over the place. It doesn't really, it gets here and it stalls out and it'll change direction, it'll go a different direction. It's just, yeah, now the wind's blowing from the southeast. Yeah, that's a firm. See, usually when I get up here, I can see all this. See that cloud over there? Anyhow, yeah. See the way that cloud's formed over there? That's not good. But they're saying there's some really bad activity going on there. So. Yeah, right there. can get a good lightning shot. There we go. Anyhow, that's what I gotta do on a weekly basis. Like I said, I call this the ritual. Usually I don't have to do this till Monday. Usually it's always a Monday or Sunday night. So I didn't hear any sirens go off. It kind of looks like it needs to over there, but see the way that looks? It's not good. Yeah, see it? Look at that little one over there. It looks like it has a little tail or something. See, it's acting like it wants to turn around and come back this way. See it? It's starting to rain again. There we go. A little light on the subject. Well, I'm gonna have to go back in. It looks like it's trying to regroup and it's headed this way, so it's starting to rain. I got another hour of this. So it's gone, is what they said. Well, there we go. Lightning's getting kind of bad behind me, so I'm gonna go on and see if we can get down here. As you can tell, I gotta walk. Oh yeah, this sucks. See, my rope's still tied there. I'm leaving it there just in case. But yeah, we're underneath the bridge. The wind's changed direction. But I'm under here. I got my boogie bags, what I call it. You know, got all your basic emergency gear. You gotta have this split. If I would have had a tornado, I'd probably lost all my stuff. I'm camped out on the hill back there. I had a bad day. Anyway, yesterday I got arrested for not having a light on my bicycle. They took me to jail. And they beat me up, of course, which is pretty standard for these guys. Because I thought it was ridiculous to be taken to jail over a $70 ticket. This is a $70 ticket. I just don't get it anymore, man. Anyhow, and on top of that, I gotta deal with nature. I gotta deal with police, sheriff, and then I have to deal with people who don't respect you when you drive by, but then they want you to help them when they get in trouble. I guess that's just the way it is. But yeah, I'm under a bridge. This is a weekly ordeal for me. Anyhow, I thought I'd just film the rest of this and show you what I gotta deal with. I'll talk to y'all later.